Welcome to the Berry Life. Today we're going to make a delicious mushroom apple brie grilled cheese. That was a mouthful, but so is this sandwich. For this recipe we'll need some baby Bella mushrooms that we're going to saute, butter, Dijon mustard, balsamic reduction, an apple, some Brie cheese, a hearty loaf of French or sourdough, we're using multi-grain French style here, and salt and pepper to taste. Let's get started and prep the ingredients. We'll start by slicing the mushrooms. If you don't have baby Bella, you can use portobello, shiitake, or even the white button mushrooms. Next we'll cut up some slices of apple. Then we'll cut some manageable slices of brie. And lastly, we'll cut some thick slices of our country loaf at a bias so they're a little bit longer. For this recipe, we're going to saute the mushrooms. Start by adding some oil to a skillet on medium-low heat. Once the oil is hot, add the mushrooms. Stir the mushrooms to make sure there's enough oil. If needed, add a little bit more. Then add the salt and black pepper to taste. Stir the mushrooms to reduce, burning off the excess moisture. Keep sauteing until the mushrooms are lightly brown. That's it, the mushrooms are done. With all ingredients ready, let's put the sandwich together. There is a little bit of science involved. It's called sandwichology. It's a real thing. Feel free to look it up if you don't believe me. We'll start by buttering the outside of the sandwich. You want to put the butter on the bread and not the pan. We're going to arrange the layers to maintain maximum sandwich integrity so it doesn't fall apart on us during grilling or eating. On the inside of the sandwich, lay on some Dijon. Next, lay down a layer of brie. To contrast the savoriness and the richness of the brie, now we'll add the sweet and crispy apples. Atop the apples, we'll drizzle the balsamic reduction. Like the Dijon mustard, the balsamic reduction adds a rich complex flavor to the taste profile. Atop the reduction, add a layer of the sauteed mushrooms. The reduction also helps the mushrooms bind to the apples and stay in place. Atop the mushrooms, add a second layer of brie. Finally, close the sandwich with the second piece of bread. The sandwich is assembled. Now we're off to the grill. On a griddle over medium-low heat, place the sandwich. By cooking the sandwich slowly, it allows the cheese to melt and yields a crispier crust without burning the bread. Press the sandwich lightly every once in a while to make sure there is full contact between the bread and the grill. While not shown for this side, having checked the bottom, we know the bottom is done. Let's go ahead and carefully flip the sandwich. There's always a little bit of anxiety when attempting a high-risk maneuver like this, but work through it. You will be rewarded. And we are, with a golden brown and delicious crust. Now that the crust has formed, feel free to apply a little pressure. This will help bind the sandwich together. Let's check the other side. There it is, that perfect crust. Let's take it off the grill. Let the sandwich cool for a couple of minutes. The residual heat will help the brie melt even more. After some intense pacing, it's time to cut. When done properly, your sandwich should sound something like this. Let's take a look inside. That's about as good as it gets. Time to take a bite out of life. That is an insane amount of flavor. There you have it, mushroom apple brie grilled cheese. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like this recipe, please help support our channel by subscribing and liking this video. Also, be sure to hit the bell icon for future notifications. And follow us on Instagram at berryberrylife.